Okay, Bob, here we go. This is your boat carburetor. Let's see what it does here. Of course, we're running 3 pound pressure here on all motors, all carburetors. Okay. We in order to get it to idle, we had to give it excess fuel here. Over here it's way too lean. So go ahead and put a load. That was without a load. We're going to see what it'll do with a load. Okay, let's see what happens. Not bad. Yeah, we got it. We know we got it. That idle circuit. You're exactly correct. Something wrong with the idle circuit. Well, we'll take care of it. Okay, Bob, I'm going to have to call you and get your email address because your writing's about like mine. Okay.